All right, in this example, we are dividing complex numbers. We have on the top 2 plus 3i, down below 3 plus 2i. Now, we want to get rid of the imaginary number down below here. We got 2i. The way to do that is to multiply the whole denominator by its conjugate. Now, the conjugate is the exact opposite of what we have already as the denominator. We have 3 plus 2i. The conjugate will be 3 minus 2i, and we multiply that also by the top. 3 minus 2i. So that's a plus, that's a minus. We've got the minus top and bottom. So let's multiply across. We are going to use the FOIL method. Let me just put brackets here so we can FOIL it. Okay, let's do the top. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4i minus 4i minus 4i. Let me fix that up here. We've got minus 4i. 2 3s are 6 minus 4i. And then we got 3 times 3, which is 9i. So that's a plus 9i plus 9i. And then finally, we have 3i positive, negative 2i. 2 3s are 6, so that's minus 6. Minus 6i squared. All over. Down below, let's FOIL this too. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times negative 2 is... Well, we don't actually have to FOIL it. We can just, because it's a difference of two squares, that's a plus, that's a minus. All we need to do is square this and square that and subtract them. Let's do that. That's a lot easier than FOILing it. FOILing it, we'll just have to eliminate stuff. So 3 squared is 9, and 2i squared is 4i squared. 4i squared. Now, because it's a difference of two squares, that's a square, that's a square, just put a minus in between. Let's continue with this. On the top, let's see how we can further simplify this. We can take the minus 4 and the plus 9 and create plus 5, 9. Minus 4 plus 9 is plus 5. So that's plus 5i. And we got the 6 minus there. So that's 6. So 6 minus 4 plus 5 is plus 5. Okay, there's the 6. Minus 6. And the I squared, we can replace the I squared. I squared equals negative 1. Let's put that right in there. All over, what do we have here? We have 9 minus 4i squared. So that'll be 9 minus 4 times I squared again is negative 1. Negative 1. Let's continue with this. Okay, we got on the top 6 plus 5i. Now, we have a minus and a minus, turns into a plus. 6 1s are 6. All over 9 minus and a minus. So minus 4 minus 1 is plus 4. So that's plus 4. What's that going to equal? Well, that's going to equal, I'm just going to work with it over here. On the bottom, 9 plus 4 is 13. Let's put a 13 here. On the top, 6 plus 6 is 12. So that's 12 plus 5i on the top. Now, it's kind of in standard form. We're going to separate these guys. We're going to put the 13 under the 12 and the 13 under the 5, and then we'll have it in standard form. So let's go and do that. Plus 5 on 13. Right. I'll just read it out. 12 on 13 plus 5 on 13i.